Hey, what's up guys? Today we're unboxing something special. Perfect for your Halloween or cosplays or your Avengers movies, the Thanos Infinity Gauntlet featured in Avengers Infinity War. Now this is a special from the Avengers Legend series, a series of replica toys such as your metal Captain America shield or even your Iron Man helmet. But they came out with something, the Infinity Gauntlet, something so detailed and articulate for $100. This isn't your cheap Halloween toy. This is a premium collector's item, and we're gonna go into why it's so damn expensive, but so cool at the same time. So let's take a look at the box here. Again, it's part of the Legends series, and the collectors will find all the different Legends types, but it has the articulating fingers, authentic movie sound studios from the actual film itself, pulsating stone glow, and a lock function so that you can have it in fist form or the relaxed form, depending how you want to display it. Also in the box, you have the guide that shows you that you need 3 AA batteries, all the different functions of it, and a quick how-to which we're going to go over right now. On the inside, there's a brief handle with 5 rings to place your fingers, a little stretch, especially for the thumb. On the outside, we have the Time Stone from Doctor Strange, the Power Stone from Guardians of the Galaxy, the Tesseract from Avengers, the Reality Stone from Thor 2, the Mind Stone, finally from the Avengers Infinity War film, and the Mind Stone from Avengers 2. Now once you wield the glove, you can feel the dexterity per finger. Now on the wrist guard of the gauntlet is where the speaker for the sounds come, and this is where you actually place your 3 AA batteries. Unscrew the Phillips head and you can see the speaker grill right there. Just pop off the plastic piece. Now try not to have too much fun as you grasp and wield the Infinity Gauntlet, but know that there's one more function here, and that's the display mode. Simply press down the lock mechanism and tighten your grip with whatever fingers that you'd like. In this case, I've chosen the fist so that I can display it in full contracted mode. Press the yellow stone to play your sound effects and also your lights, and also release the lock to put it back in the extended position. This is perfect to put in your glass case, or to take it out and show off, or to even have cool symbols such as the Spider-Man, or even the Thanos snap, or the little gotcha. Either way, there's so many functions and features in here, it's highly detailed that you'll have so much fun. Yes, it's a collector's item, it's a cosplay toy, it'll make you the star of the show for Halloween, and it's just a fun item to play with. It justifies the $100 price strictly because of how detailed and how much functionality it has. And hey, for as many Marvel movies that are gonna come out, the next installment of Avengers, you can bet that we'll be bringing this glove to every showing. Now let's take a look at the sound effects. So there you have it, Thanos' Infinity Gauntlet, formed in the heart of a dying star just like Thor's hammer, featured in Infinity War and not the replica that was featured in the Thor series. Something to put in your collection display. I wonder how many of you actually have the rest of the Legends series. But if you're seriously considering this, I'm going to challenge you guys to have as much fun as you can for it. No, you can't actually punch any stone walls or snap your fingers. you'll probably break the articulation that is in the fingers. But for those on edge, whether you should buy or not, let's take a closer look at the details, how much time the team's made to actually put this together in something that is relatively affordable and not just a regular glove that you've seen on all your little costume replicas. But at the same time, I would say it's a little spoil. It's a great gift if you're looking for the great Marvel fan, and it's a great fan item. It's perfectly balanced, as all things should be. Now get into gear and kick the Avengers' ass.